Picture this. Astronomers have just witnessed the dramatic birth of a ring system encircling a distant, icy world in our solar system, a cosmic event that's never been observed before. If you've ever gazed at the stunning rings of Saturn through a telescope, you know how mesmerizing they are. But here's where it gets really fascinating. Saturn isn't alone in boasting such celestial jewelry. In fact, our solar system has a few other planets with ring systems, though Saturn's are undeniably the most spectacular. The gas giants Jupiter, Neptune, and Uranus all possess their own faint rings, and even some smaller celestial objects like the dwarf planets Haumea and Quaoar, plus the centaur Chariklo, have joined the club. Now, adding to this exclusive list is 2060 Chiron, simply called Chiron, an icy centaur that's captured scientists' attention for the first time as the host of forming rings. To make this clearer for beginners, a centaur is a type of asteroid-like body made mostly of ice, wandering the outer solar system between the orbits of Saturn and Uranus, often behaving like both an asteroid and a comet. Chiron itself was first discovered back in 1977, and recent observations from Brazil's Pico dos Dias Observatory in 2023 revealed something extraordinary: 4 distinct rings encircling this enigmatic object, along with some diffuse material, basically a hazy cloud of particles surrounding it. These rings, likely composed of water ice mixed with rocky debris, are believed to have originated from a powerful collision between Chiron and another celestial body, much like how scientists think Saturn's rings formed from shattered moons or asteroids eons ago. The rings orbit Chiron at precise distances from its center, about 170 miles, 273 kilometers, 202 miles, 325 kilometers, 272 miles, 438 kilometers, and a far-out one at 870 miles, 1,400 kilometers. But here's where it gets controversial. Experts note that the outermost ring might not be stable enough over time to qualify as a true ring, raising questions about how we define these structures. Does a temporary arrangement of particles count as a ring, or should it persist? Further studies will settle this debate, but it's a reminder that our understanding of planetary rings is still evolving. What truly sets Chiron's rings apart is that they're actively forming right before our eyes, marking the very first instance of astronomers catching a ring system in the act of development. By comparing the 2023 data with earlier observations from 2022, 2018, and 2011, researchers have seen the system changing rapidly, growing, shifting, or even dispersing particles in ways that provide a live snapshot of ring creation. This breakthrough isn't just eye-catching. It offers invaluable insights into the dynamic forces at play, such as gravitational pulls and collisions, that shape rings and even satellites around small bodies. For context, think of it like watching a potter shape clay on a wheel, except on a cosmic scale, with ice and rock replacing the clay. This is an evolving system that will help us understand the dynamical mechanisms governing the creation of rings and satellites around small bodies, with potential implications for various types of disk dynamics in the universe, explained astronomer Braga Ribas from the Federal University of Technology Paraná and the Interinstitutional Laboratory of E-Astronomy in Brazil, who co-authored a study on the findings. His words, shared with Reuters, highlight how this discovery could ripple out to explain similar phenomena elsewhere, like the disks of gas and dust around young stars where planets form. And this is the part most people miss. These observations might even challenge long-held theories about ring stability, prompting scientists to rethink how long such features can last around distant worlds. The research team published their detailed results in the Astrophysical Journal Letters on October 14, 2025, offering a treasure trove of data for fellow astronomers. As we continue to explore the mysteries of our solar system, discoveries like this remind us how much more there is to learn about the icy wanderers like Chiron. Stay tuned for the latest in space exploration, from exciting rocket launches to upcoming skywatching events. Dive into discussions on our space forums to chat about recent missions, stargazing tips, and beyond. Got a news tip, correction, or just want to share your thoughts? Reach out to us at community@space.com. Space.com contributing writer Stephanie Waldeck is a dedicated self-taught enthusiast of space and aviation, with a deep passion for spaceflight and astronomy. Drawing from her experience in travel and design journalism, plus a Bachelor of Arts from New York University, she focuses on the exciting world of space tourism and astrotourism here on Earth. When she's not writing, she's often watching live rocket launches or stargazing, pondering the vast wonders beyond our planet. Discover more about her work at www.stephaniewaldeck.com. What do you think? Does witnessing rings in formation around Chiron change how we view the solar system's ringed worlds? Or could this discovery lead to new debates about what defines a planet's features? Do you agree with the idea that the outermost ring might not qualify, or should we expand our definitions? Share your opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.